Welcome to the channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill / Driver Kit with a 100-piece set. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill / Driver Kit is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional tradespeople. It features the DCD771C2 drill / driver, which is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces where traditional drills might struggle. This portability is a huge advantage when you're working on detailed projects or in cramped areas. One of the standout features of the DCD771C2 is its high-performance motor, which delivers an impressive 300 unit watts-hour (UWO) of power. This level of power allows you to complete a wide range of applications, whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic. The drill also has a 2-speed transmission, with speeds of 0 to 450 in 1,500 revolutions per minute, giving you the versatility to tackle both low-speed tasks like driving screws and high-speed tasks like drilling. The drill comes with a 100-piece accessory set, which includes some of DEWALT's most popular bits. This assortment covers a variety of uses, ensuring that you have the right tool for the job, whether it's driving screws or drilling holes. The accessory set features impact-ready bits, tough case storage, and pilot point drive bits, making it an all-in-one solution for your drilling and driving needs. So, who is this drill and accessory kit suitable for? If you're a homeowner who enjoys tackling home improvement projects, this kit can be a valuable addition to your toolbox. Its compact design makes it perfect for everyday tasks like assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or even working on small renovations. For professionals in construction or carpentry, the power and versatility of this drill make it an essential tool for daily use on the job site. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you have a project to hang shelves in your living room. With the DEWALT drill, you can easily drill into the wall and securely fasten the brackets with precision. If you're building a deck, the drill's power ensures that you can drive screws into the wood efficiently, speeding up the entire process. And for those who enjoy DIY furniture, this drill makes assembling your creations a breeze, allowing you to focus on your design rather than struggling with tools. Another great feature of this drill is its battery life. The 20V MAX lithium-ion batteries provide long-lasting power, so you can work on projects without frequent interruptions for charging. Plus, the battery is compatible with other DEWALT tools, giving you even more flexibility if you already own DEWALT products. In summary, the DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill / Driver Kit with the 100-piece set is a powerful, versatile tool that's perfect for both casual users and professionals. Its compact design, high performance, and comprehensive accessory set make it a fantastic investment